Hello everybody, I'm here this time to do a short tutorial about staples. Staple is a very useful tool that will help you to select points during animation, some animation process, or even when you are working on a static drawing. So let's start. Staple is this tool here. Let's suppose that we wanna animate this leg, so I will divide this leg into the group called leg, shin, and foot, uh, like this. So these points here will be the foot because I want animation only the thumbs. Let's no no let's call it foot and put a staple around here. It's enough. Select this staple too and create a group with the staple selected. The most important thing is that the staple should be always the first staple selected to create a group with a staple, right? So let's call it foot. Now, every time I click in the circular area, all these points will be selected. If I click on the center, only the staple will be selected. So I can move it and scale it like this, right? And I can change. Oh, sorry, I click in the. I gave a click in the circular area and all the entire points in all the points that belong to the same group of this staple are selected. I click on this. I should click on the center, and I can change the color, right? And the foreground too, right? So let's create our second group. Sorry, and with all these points here, and call it shin. Let's add the staple to this group. Call it shin. Oh, sorry, I should click on the center. Let's scale a little bit. I think it's enough. When I click on the circular area, you can see that the points that belong to the group called shin will be selected. And when I click here, the points to the points of foot will be selected. If I click here and also select this staple and add to the shin, every time I click on the shin, also the foot will be selected. But every time I click on the foot, only the foot will be selected because the foot belongs to the shin, but the shin doesn't belong to the foot. And let's create the leg, the group leg. So this point, this one, and this, and create a group. Oh, sorry, a staple right here. Another group, call it leg. Now, every time I click in the circular area, the same group, the same points that belongs to the group that called leg, that is the same group of the staple, will be selected, right? But I want that the shin and the foot be selected when I click here. So what I have to do now, just select the shin with the control, of course. When I click on the circular area of the shin, the foot is selected together, right? Wonderful. And put everybody on the leg. Now, when I click the leg, all the groups will be selected. When I click the shin, only the shin and the foot. When I click the foot, click on the foot, only the foot will be selected. Now it's much more easier to animate this leg. Like this, I can select the leg and rotate. Don't forget that rotation doesn't run about or over the staple center. The rotation is always over the mouse position. So I let my mouse here and I rotate. Now I click on the sheen, I let my mouse here and rotate. I can rotate like this one. So I know that this time you already has a huge idea of how staples can be useful for animation, right? As you are seeing here. Sorry, circular, rotate. I'm clicking on the rotate menu because just to be more user friendly in this video, but you should use R, the R key on the keyboard, right? So this is staple tool, and that's why staple is very useful. Oh, and of course, staple are only visible only when you are in the edition mode. Of course, you don't want that staple appears every time when your drawing is red. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.